Intention and intensity. Maraming nag-workout pero hindi nila ginagawa yung dalawang yun. Kaya kahit ilang buwan na silang nag-workout, wala pa rin masyadong progress. Let's first start with intention. Pag pupunta ka sa gym, dapat alam mo na yung gagawin mo. Hindi pwedeng kung ano-ano na lang yung machine na gagawin mo or like sabog-sabog. Or minsan kung ano na lang yung available, yun na lang yung gagamitin mo. Tapos minsan kung may gumagamit pa ng equipment, mag-skip ka na lang. Important din na may program ka kasi pag may program ka, that means consistent yung ginagawa mo every session and natatrack mo ng maayos yung ginagawa mo. Next naman is intensity. Kapag may program ka na, kailangan naman, effortan mo talaga, syempre. Hindi pwedeng sobrang gaan lang na binubuhat mo palagi tapos mag-focus ka na lang sa number ng reps. Remember that the goal is to get stronger, build muscle, and lose fat. Hindi lang basta nasa gym ka 5 times a week tapos wala namang kwenta yung session mo. Kasi ang dami ko nakikita sa gym na sobrang tagal mag-rest tapos nanonood, nagdo-doom scroll, and then pag nag-set na sila, half-assed lang yung reps. Which is sayang kasi hindi mo napupush yung sarili mo for you to get stronger and to progress. So kung gusto mo talagang magkaroon ng progress and mag-improve yung physique mo, kailangan present lagi yung dalawa. Intention and intensity. Kailangan nakaplan yung session, kailangan nakatrack yung lifts, yung numbers, and you have to train like you mean it.